Welcome to our roundup of the best robot vacuums for home in this year. Whether you have pets, kids, or a busy lifestyle that makes regular cleaning a challenge, we've handpicked the top robot vacuums that deliver efficient cleaning, smart navigation, and convenience, all designed to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. We'll break down each vacuum's key features like suction power, battery life, navigation system, app control, dustbin capacity, and suitability for various floor types, so you can find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate cleaning companion for your space. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Roborock Crevo S5V Robot Vacuum. Roborock has established itself as a trusted brand in smart cleaning appliances, combining technology with practicality. The Crevo S5V is designed for homeowners seeking thorough cleaning with intelligent navigation, making it ideal for medium to large living spaces. It features strong suction power, multiple cleaning modes, and a precision LiDAR navigation system that maps your home to ensure efficient coverage without missing corners. The vacuum is equipped with smart app control, allowing you to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and monitor progress from your smartphone. Its long-lasting battery enables extended cleaning sessions without interruptions, while the self-charging feature ensures it's always ready to go. The Roborock Crevo S5V is perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who wants automated, consistent cleaning. Its combination of intelligent navigation, powerful suction, and convenient app control makes it a reliable addition to any modern home. Next up at number 4 is the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum. Eufy has become known for high-quality, user-friendly robot vacuums, and the X10 Pro Omni lives up to this reputation. This model is ideal for homeowners looking for a quiet yet effective cleaning solution. It features dual rolling brushes, strong suction, and multi-floor cleaning capability, handling carpets, hardwood, and tile with ease. The advanced AI navigation system allows the vacuum to map your home, avoid obstacles, and clean efficiently without human intervention. Its large dustbin and extended battery life reduce interruptions, while voice control compatibility with smart assistants adds an extra layer of convenience. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is perfect for pet owners, apartment dwellers, and tech-savvy users who want a seamless, automated cleaning experience. Its quiet operation, powerful cleaning performance, and smart navigation make it one of the standout choices for hassle-free home maintenance. Coming in at number 3 is the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum. iRobot is a pioneer in robotic cleaning technology, and the Roomba 105 is a solid entry-level model for those new to automated vacuuming. It's ideal for small to medium homes, offering reliable cleaning with minimal setup. The Roomba 105 features a high-efficiency brush system, responsive sensors, and adaptive navigation, allowing it to handle corners, edges, and under-furniture spaces with ease. Its compact design fits seamlessly into tight areas, while intuitive controls let you start cleanings with a simple button press. Although it lacks some of the advanced mapping features of higher-end models, it delivers consistent, dependable performance for everyday cleaning needs. This robot vacuum is perfect for first-time users, small households, or anyone who wants automated floor cleaning without extra complexity. Its reliable cleaning, simple operation, and brand trust make it a practical choice for those who want efficiency without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark is renowned for innovative and powerful home cleaning solutions, and the AI Ultra model is designed for homeowners who demand advanced performance. It features strong suction, AI-powered mapping, and automatic dirt detection, ensuring no area is left uncleaned. The vacuum navigates smoothly around furniture, obstacles, and multi-level homes, while its voice assistant integration and app control provide full customization of cleaning schedules and zones. Its self-emptying base option further reduces maintenance, making it ideal for busy households. The Shark AI Ultra is perfect for larger homes, pet owners, or families who want a near hands-free cleaning experience. Its combination of powerful suction, smart navigation, and low-maintenance operation makes it a premium option for modern home cleaning. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lephant LiDAR Robot Vacuum. Lephant is a rising brand in the robotic vacuum market, offering professional-grade cleaning technology at an accessible price. The LiDAR robot vacuum is perfect for homeowners seeking precision, intelligence, and versatility. It features LiDAR-based navigation for accurate mapping, multiple cleaning modes, and strong suction power, effectively cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. Its long battery life ensures large homes can be cleaned in a single session, while app control, scheduling, and voice assistant compatibility make operation effortless. The vacuum also comes with anti-collision sensors and cliff detection, ensuring safety for furniture, pets, and stairs. The Lephant LiDAR Robot Vacuum is perfect for tech-savvy homeowners, pet owners, and anyone who wants professional-level cleaning with minimal effort. Its smart navigation, powerful suction, and user-friendly features make it the ultimate choice for automated home cleaning in this year. And that wraps up our top 5 best robot vacuums for home in this year. From the intelligent Roborock Crevo S5V to the efficient Eufy X10 Pro Omni, the reliable iRobot Roomba 105, the advanced Shark AI Ultra, and the top-tier Elephant LiDAR, there's a robot vacuum here for every home, lifestyle, and floor type. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can bring home the perfect robot vacuum for a cleaner, smarter home today. Thanks for watching.